extraordinarily beautiful moment. Yo, man, you crying? No. That's the guy's section.
I'm going to cry.
Alright, go.
No.
Bye.
So, what's up, you guys? I made a video in a really long time. So, there's one right here for you. So, yeah, I don't know if I'll probably be making these sooner or later. Teen Titan videos are coming up sooner or later. I don't know about the other ones, but I'll get back to you guys when I make a new video. So, see ya.